Hello, my name is Cody with Trophy Outlet. I want to thank you for being a loyal customer to Trophy Outlet, first off. And as we continue to grow and update our systems and softwares, we want to continue to grow with you and make things easier on both of us. Make it easier for you, make it easier for us, and everything works out great. So I want to give you a quick update on a new software that we're implementing called Manage Orders. Manage Orders is a software that is connected to our CRM, which allows you to track your orders live to know where it's at in production, whether artwork's been approved, denied, anything like that, as well as take payments, and you can see all the order statuses of your order. So with that being said, I'm going to get into this really quick, try to keep this nice and short. So manageorders.com is the address to connect your orders. You have two ways to view your order. You have view just a single order, and you put the order number in with the email that is attached to the order, and you can just go into that single order and view that. You also have another login option, which if you are a perpetual style customer, meaning that you order multiple times a month or year, we will provide you with login credentials, and you can log in and view all of your orders under one dashboard. So I'm going to go ahead and log in and show you that really quick. So when you first log in, you see these statuses up here at the top. So these you can flip through and find what you need to find, look at the orders that you're working on, things like that, or the orders that we are working on for you. I apologize. You can also see the order statuses, dates, things like that. So this is your dashboard. This is kind of your quick rundown of all your orders, orders in progress, things like that. Really quick, I want to go through this side panel here. If I click on orders, this is all orders within that account. So maybe you're a school and you have multiple people ordering, ordering for your school district. You can get in here and see all those orders underneath that account. Obviously, there may be different contacts or things like that, but then you can come in and pay what you need to pay, or take care of what you need to take care of. So that's all of your orders currently in progress and that are already been complete. You can also look at payments. So under payment section, you can see what payments have been applied or have not been applied. And then your calendar, we're not going to worry about that right now because that's not going to take effect at the moment. So really quick, let's go into orders. And let's say I want to get in here and I want to make a payment on an order. All you really need to do, you'd simply go into the order, click in it, and it takes you to the order screen. Now, if you remember when we logged in, if you're viewing just a single order, this is right where it would take you. So on this, you can see your shipping info, billing info, all the pertinent info for your order, what was charged, anything like that. Then you can also see payments, proofs, designs, and tracking. So once the order's been shipped, you can also see tracking info if it's provided. So now real quick, let's say you want to make a payment to this order. You would simply click pay with credit card or pay by check, and you can certainly do that. Makes it very easy, and you don't have to call with credit card or do anything like that. You just pay all via online, and it comes directly to us and we get notified. You can click reorder, which will just basically send us an email, and you can type in there what you would like to reorder. Send message, same thing. You can send us a message asking a question or anything like that. And then you can also print your invoice. Like I said, I went through this really quick, but I want to give you a really quick rundown on this system and what it can do. Let's go back to the main screen really fast, and underneath dashboard, this is what this screen right here is going to show you work in progress. So these are orders that we are currently working on for you, and then these are orders needing payment, orders with open proof, orders on hold, which doesn't happen very often, and then completed orders, invoiced orders. So again, if you have any questions, please reach out to us at 866-282-0847 or at support, SUPPORT, at trophyoutlet.com. Again, I want to thank you for being a loyal customer, and please make sure you check us out on trophyoutlet.com, breakyourpick.com, and fundraisingbyto.com. Looking forward to working with you for many more years to come. Thank you.